Gems of War is a match 3 game that I like, and it was the inspiration for this animated wall lamp. I 3D printed 4 interlocking panels and added 64 super low quality 38mm ping pong balls, which I glued into the dents in the panels and then cut out holes for light to shine through underneath. I also used 64 LEDs. They are WS2812B individually addressable LEDs. I split them into 32 pieces, so I could space the LEDs out 38mm apart. If I made another lamp like this, I might try using smaller ping pong balls or cutting a smaller dome from their fronts, which would match the standard spacing between the LEDs and take out the need for 144 of the soldering welds in this lamp. The other components were a bunch of wires, a 5V 1.5 amp AC adapter, a power switch, an Arduino Nano, and two 10K potentiometers, which control the lamp's brightness and animation speed. I wanted the fastest speed to still show falling motion, but be frantic and faster than a human could find and make matches. And for the slowest speed, I was trying to make it something like the hour hand of a clock, where you really have to be staring intently to get any sense of motion. I'll leave links to the CAD and STL 3D printing files in the description, as well as a link to my Arduino sketch. And I'll let the rest of the build play so you can pause and check out any construction detail you're interested in.